Hi there. For today's Elements of Drama definition that we are putting in our journal for later, just in case we need to go back and review, is going to be director. But before I do that, I want to split the page up so we save some paper. I don't know why I didn't think about this earlier in the week, and I apologize. But we can still do it for today and tomorrow. So let's go ahead and split this up here. Write today's date, 1/14/21. And then I'm going to write director up here. Okay, we're going to write director right here. And our picture for director is going to go here. And we're going to leave like that. Director goes here, and then tomorrow we'll write the date right here, and we'll do the definition down here. Okay, so director. Director tells the actors what to do, basically. So I just want to keep the definition short. Tells the actors what to do. Okay? So there's a quick little definition, and if you need time, just pause the video, of course. But I'm going to go ahead and do a little example. So just draw a little person. Just going to do stick figure to save some time, but this person has clipboard, piece of paper on it, and he's also holding, I'm trying to figure out how to draw this, little one of those like little it's not a microphone, you talk out of it, it's like a megaphone, there you go. And hair, little speech bubble. Read script. Just wrote a little something. Read script. Okay, so that's my that's my picture, and there's the definition. All right. If you need more time, just pause the video.